Welcome to Josie's channel. My name is Josie and I whack people's legs. I like to mooch for whatever that's not food. And I whack people's legs. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Josie and for today's video we're going to do something very exciting. Hey, no, Josie, it's my line. Well, welcome back to Josie's channel. Before you get started, make sure you subscribe, like, and notifications so you never miss these exciting videos. So, first, what you do, I said the wrong thing. What we're going to be doing for today's video, I'm going to be pranking my dog. So if, for example, I'm gonna do, I don't know, this pranking, I'll tell you one thing, I'm gonna take a blanket, and I'm gonna go, and disappear. So let's first do that, because I want to see your reaction. Mom, can I use your blanket? Please. Okay. Alright, so we're using this beige one. I think. This is the right one, right? Well, we got it. Alright. So I'm going to set you up here. Can you guys see me? Yeah. Alright, so this is just where I have. Josie! Shh. Hold on, let me turn you on. Josie, come here. Good girl. Come here. Come here. Good girl. Great, she just left. Josie, come here. Josie. Hey. Josie. Hold on, guys. Okay, I got her here. Stay. Stay. No, sit. No. You're not going back there. Sit. Sit. Good girl. Alright, let go. Don't like it. Look how good girl. Sit. Sit. Good girl. Girl. I disappeared and I was just right here. All I could see is her nose. Weird. Anyway, that was the first thing. She doesn't really care, but second thing we're doing is gonna be super fun. So Josie's gonna be on her chair or something. I'm gonna poke her and I'm gonna walk away. She's gonna be like, "What the heck was that?" So let's. That's weird. Josie. Yay. Josie. What? I didn't call you. Yes, I did. You were a prankster. Whoa. What was that? I don't know if you guys saw that or not. Hopefully you did. That was really funny. What do you smell? Yeah. Smell nice. I probably smell nice. Okay, that was kind of easy. What do you think we can do? Okay, well, she doesn't want to sit. What will be a good idea? I wonder. What do you think, Josie? Just no idea. Can I show the people? I want to give one to Josie. Okay, Josie. This is her soft cashew sit. Look how gentle she goes. This is so cute. Yeah, she's super happy now. So, like I was saying, we need to find 2 more pranks for this video. I think no Jello. I'm using that for anyway. For I think this one. I'll give her. This is hard because she knows a lot of pranks. No, this is not your soft cashew. You want to split it in half? Okay. There you go. Best friend. I guess you could see me and Josie together because there's not much other pranks to do. So, Josie, what's this? Come here. I don't know. Can you guys see us? Yeah. Josie, over here. I want to look smile. Alright, thank you guys for watching so much. If you enjoyed, hit that like button and subscribe if you like my channel. Okay, say bye-bye to JoJo. Actually, I should say subscribe if you like her channel. Yeah, I should have said that. This is her channel.